We think rebuilding means adding things, but oftentimes it's about shedding and unlearning. And that's kind of one of the problems with our mind is we always have this hunger for more when it's really less is how we optimize. When you go to rebuild yourself, it's really about stripping things down back to what's true for you. That is the importance of this work is we're finding what no longer fits. We're finding the things you've outgrown. We're finding the different games you're playing that are wasting your time, that are distracting you. And it's about coming to terms with your past. It's about stripping away the pain you're carrying and the false beliefs and the aspects of yourself that you shut down in order to exist in certain ways. It's always about letting things go rather than adding more. Because when we let the things go, we get the clarity, we get the pieces that come into play of, oh, I already have all these skills, I have all these abilities, but now I have the tools to utilize them because I'm no longer blocking myself every step of the way. When we go to rebuild, it is a tear down. We might just add little pieces here and there on top of it, but it's mostly an unlearning process. And it's mostly about getting to know yourself at a deeper level and really cleaning up your motivations so that you're no longer carrying the extra stuff that's holding you back, that's stopping you, all the extra burdens you're putting on yourself. Those are oftentimes self-imposed. And so it's really about building this healthy relationship with yourself where pretty much anything can be born from that place because it's clean, it's sustainable, and it's authentic. What's authentic to us is very natural and easy. It's a lot of the workarounds of our mind and that's built on our pain that really stops us from moving forward. So when we talk about rebuilding, it's just about getting back to yourself. That's really all it is at the end of the day. And anything that's not you will eventually fall away. It's just allowing that stuff to happen. We cling to it because it's what we know and it's what made it safe, but it's also what holds us back. It's a reconnection of sorts.